Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Exam Master. Today we are going to see 10 hacks which saves time and make everyone the fastest Excel user. Here I have entered a series of entries for explaining. First, Control plus navigation key. Here I am using Control plus right arrow moves to the last entry in the row. Control plus left arrow, it moves to the first entry in the row. If there is a blank space in between, Excel considered it as the end and leaves the other entries. Control plus down arrow, it moves to the last entry in the column. Control plus up arrow, it moves to the first entry in the column. Next, Shift plus navigation key. Here I am using Shift plus right arrow. It moves to the one cell right and select the cell in a range of single cell. Here I am doing Shift plus down arrow. As it is having only single cell range, we can combine this first two commands to speed up the selection. That is Control plus Shift plus navigation key. Here I am holding Control, Shift and right arrow. It moved to the right last entry in the row and selected the range. Control Shift down, it moved to the bottom and selected the whole data entry. We can also use Control plus A. Control plus A, which already selected the whole entry with a single command. If you press Control plus A again, it selects the total sheet. We can also select the total sheet by clicking it here. Next, Control plus D, which is fill down option. Here I am changing the format of this cell and I am selecting Control plus D. This option fills down the data from the top cell including formula and formattings. Next, Home. In this key, the selection moves to the first cell of the row. Next, Page up, page down. Page down moves to the next page of the column and page up moves to the previous page of the column. Next, Control plus page up and down. Control plus page down moves to the next sheet in the workbook and Control plus page up moves to the previous page in the workbook. Next, Alt plus page up and down. Alt plus page down moves to the next page in the row and Alt plus page up moves to the previous page in the row. Next, Control plus Home and End. Control plus Home moves to the first cell of the row and column and Control plus End moves to the last cell in which the data is entered in the row and column. That's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel.